Every week, Isaac Nkonge visits banana plantations in central Uganda. He cuts and collects fiber from the banana tree stalks, which he uses to make unique furniture. The banana fibers are considered waste by most farmers, but to Isaac, it is gold.
After university, I didn't have enough capital to venture into something which requires a lot of money. So I looked around and everyone has banana plantations because 80% of Ugandans basically venture into banana farming. So, and I realized that the farmers, after taking the bunch of bananas, they leave the 70% of the other part of the banana plant to rot in the garden. So that is where I wanted to venture from, because there is available material, that which rots in the garden.
To design a new product, Isaac first sketches the concept on a computer. With help from a colleague, he then separates the inside and outside layers of each fiber with a knife. The differently textured layers are used to create the unique pieces.
On the top, we make a matte design. That is the fiber. We make different lines, the horizontal lines and the vertical lines. So there is a way we pattern them so that they can bring out a good, brilliant design. And that approach is so much admired by most people. That is why we use it.
Isaac has mastered the art and craft of weaving a table like this. It takes him approximately 5 hours and about 8 1-meter-long sizable fibers from 2 banana tree stems to make you a table for your home or even your office. Since 2016, Isaac has produced more than 1,000 pieces, with some sold overseas to countries including Rwanda, Tanzania, and Spain. Experts in agro-processing believe that if work like Isaac's is supported, it can provide import substitution for the country.
Innovations like this should be supported by those that can. The government should come in, the stakeholders should come in to support such innovations, because they will help us to stop importing, because we can actually produce what should have been imported.
Isaac faces some challenges, including difficulty in finding usable fibers in the dry season. But by creating partnerships, he hopes to scale up production with other organic waste across the country. Darren Alancheyune, Africa Matters, Wakiso, Central Uganda.